I am so glad that you're watching today because I want to show you how to make a very basic buttercream icing. It is so easy, and if you are new to my channel, I share delicious recipes every single week, so I hope that you consider subscribing to my channel, and all you need to do for that is just hit the little subscribe button and also the notification bell. That way you will not miss any of the videos that I'm posting each week. So this is easy. I want to show you how to do it. It's delicious, and you can use this for any cakes, cookies, anything that you want to use a buttercream icing for. So let's get started. Okay, so real quickly, I just want to go over the ingredients. It's super easy. It is 1 cup or 2 sticks of softened room temperature butter, 3.5 to 4 cups of powdered sugar, 2 tablespoons of heavy cream, and then I'm going to use about a tablespoon of vanilla extract. So now let me show you how to put this together. Okay, to my stand-up mixer, I added my 2 sticks of softened butter, and so now I'm just going to put on my whisk attachment, and I'm just going to let this go for a little bit, just so it just creams the butter a little bit before I add the sugar. Okay, so my butter has been creaming a little bit, so now I'm just going to add a little bit of this powdered sugar at a time, and I'm just going to put in about maybe 2 cups at first. Alright, so now I'm going to let this cream together. Okay, so this has been creaming. I am going to just scrape down the sides of my bowl, and I'm going to add about another cup or so of this powdered sugar. Alright, so I'm going to let this cream. Alright, so now I'm going to add the vanilla extract, and it is very important that you do use the room temperature softened butter. So I'm going to add the vanilla extract and the 2 tablespoons of heavy cream, and then I'm just going to mix this together. Alright, so now what I'm going to do, now this is when you kind of have to, it's up to you, like your consistency. If you want it a little thicker, I think I'm going to add a little bit of my powdered sugar, but I'm not going to probably add all of it. So it's anywhere from 3.5 to 4 cups. So I'm going to add almost all of it and then see where we're at. Alright, so I'm just going to let this go for a little bit and let it blend. It looks like it's a really good consistency, but I'm just going to let it get nice and light and airy. Alright, and voila, there you have it. You have a nice, beautiful buttercream icing. Okay, so the buttercream is all done, and so now what I'm going to do is I've got a piping bag here, and I'm going to place it down into a cup. This just helps get your icing down into your cup. But I just want to show you real quickly. I made just some box cupcakes from a box. So just really quickly, just want to show you how pretty this icing is. So you just take it and just pipe a little bit of icing, and there you go. So I hope that you try this. Of course, I've got to try my cupcake. See if this icing is any good. So let's see. Very basic, very easy buttercream icing. So that is good. I hope that you try this. I've enjoyed showing you this recipe, and I will see you soon.